Question 3 is talking about Alex and Ben going for a cup of coffee to a cafe with some friends, and they're going to buy some coffee and they're going to buy some tea. Now, what we can do, we can construct two equations for this. Make sure we understand that C is what we're going to use for coffee and T is what we're going to use for tea. So for Alex, he buys 4 cups of coffee, so it's 4C and 3 cups of tea, and altogether it equals 6.95. For Ben, he buys 5 cups of coffee and 2 cups of tea, and that equals £7.20. These are a set of simultaneous equations, and we use the process of either elimination or we use the process of substitution. In this case, we're going to eliminate. We're going to do that by multiplying these equations up to make either C or T the same. So I'm going to multiply this one by 5 and this one by 4. What it's going to do, it's going to make C the same. So let's do this entire equation. You've got 4 times 5, so 4C times 5, which is 20C, and 3T times 5, which is 15T. Then get your calculator. I need to do 6.95 times 5. So I get 34.75. That's equation 3. Now I'm going to multiply equation 2 all by 4. So again, it will produce 20C. 2T times 4 is 8T. And £7.20 times 4, just to make sure with it being decimal, is 28.8. That's equation 4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them equations away, because that will eliminate the 20C. I'm going to take equation 3 and take 4 away from it, because 15T take away 8T is going to give me 7T, and 34.75 take away 28.8, that's going to give me 5.95. Now when I divide that 5.9 by 7, it will give me 0.85, and it's indicating that 0.85 is the price of a cup of tea. So now we need to find out the price of coffee, and all you've got to do is put this value of T into any one of these equations. I'm going to choose equation 2 just because it's got a nicer number here at the end. So 5C plus 2 there's your T, and that equals £7.20. So 2 times 0.85, that's going to give me 1.7. So 5 coffees and my teas must have cost £1.70 is £7.20. We're going to take the 1.7 away from £7.20, which is £5.50 or 5.5, and then we divide it by 5, give me 1.1. So it's indicating there that a tea is going to cost £0.85 or 85 pence, and a coffee is going to put £1.10.